Alright guys, so I wanted to show you this little Beyblade stadium. So this one's actually super cool. The color comes in a green, so that's what the layer is underneath. And then it has like the plastic part over. But one of the cool things about this one that makes it stand out from like the other ones, because there are different shapes when you get like these little stadiums. Some of them are like a dual one, where it'll have like two platforms basically over each other and then it'll go through. Some of them are just flat, and then some of them are circular, square, different, but yeah, different shapes. So this one is actually cool because this is shaped differently, so you can see like how it goes in on a few little parts. It is basically like a square, but it just does have like these little points to it, and then it makes it just more fun, obviously, because once the Beyblades actually hit these, it makes it go out in the middle and it makes it go crazier basically. So these ones are really cool. But yeah, if you are looking for this, you can find this online. Again, they have like different ones available.